Hello, welcome to Finance 101. So, for the past 3 days, Shiba Inc. has been going up and there's a lot of buzz around it right now. So, I made a video about, I think, a month or 2 months ago, talking about how Binance is going to shut down Canada, especially Ontario. We will not be able to use Binance anymore. But I still left my Shiba in the account, hoping it will go up and I can sell it before the end of the year because that's the deadline they gave. So if I can sell and take my money out before, Shiba is one of those cryptos I like very much from even back then, and I bought some and I was keeping it. But if the platform was not going to be working in Canada, I wasn't going to be able to use it. There was no need of having my stocks there. So what I did was I said I was going to leave it until at least late this November and early December and sell it, but I was hoping it will go up. So I've been keeping an eye on it a little bit. From the past 3 days, I noticed that Shiba has been going up a lot. So let's get in my account and see what is happening in there. So as you can see here, here's the Shiba I own, and if you go in, I own what, 31 million shares, and I put in, I think, $315, and as you can see over here, my total right now in Canadian is 752 right now. So I found a little neat trick about it today when I was playing around with the app. So if you look over here, if you're on the spot and you come right over here where it says yesterday's P and L right here, and you click on the little arrow on the bottom, it will actually take you down and show you where you bought the Shiba from, because Shiba is the cryptos are not like the stocks where it tell you average price and anything like that. So as you come down here, it tell you past 30 days where I'm up $244 over here. And if you scroll all the way down here, as you can see over here, that's my starting point, $300, and it ran up all the way up here now. So that's a little unique trick I found out today when I was playing around with the app. So, and it's another news. This could be very great news, or it may or may not happen. I also heard that they are working on a deal where Canadian can still stay on Binance. So if we can still stay on Binance, that'd be great news. And then I'll probably end up leaving all my shit in here because after all, it's $300. I always say, don't ignore any new trend when it comes out, because people are saying, oh, crypto this, crypto that, but just expose yourself to it. So $300 money is a lot of money, but it's not that much money that I can take the risk in losing it. So if Binance is not shutting Canadians down, I might just leave it here and see what happens with it and see if it can go big. It's one of those things, you go big or go home, right? So if it's gonna be doing good, I will leave it here. But if it's gonna get shut down, then I'll be forced to sell it, because there's no need of giving my money price, whatever I made, and giving it away like that. So I'm just hoping this is good news and it actually come true where this Canadian can still be on Binance. And if that's the case, then I can keep my account here and without moving it, because it's really hard to find Shiba anywhere else. Like, I like using Wealth Simple. They got some crypto, like they have about 20 of them, but they don't have the small coins like this one there. So I know they just recently added Cardano and a couple other ones. So if this is gonna stay, I'm actually gonna buy some V chains on here and a couple other cryptos I wanna own on here that I can actually add on to it. So that'd be a good news. So that's just a little update for now. Shiba is going up, and who knows? I have no idea where it's gonna go. But if Shiba can get to even 1 cent, oh, that'd be great news. But who knows where it's gonna go? Let's see where this ride takes us, and don't forget to share the video, subscribe, keep everybody updated about any other cryptos coming out that's gonna do good. So right now I'm looking at VChain, and if anybody wants to look into that, look into it. And the price kind of go up and down. I would say maybe by around like 8 cents to 9 cents. Right now I think it's around 11. So keep an eye on it and see where it goes. And if Binance is gonna let Canadian stay, I'm definitely gonna get in here and buy a couple more crypto and keep it going. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, give us a thumbs up so I can keep producing more content like this. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.